All right, we have Shearon here, and she is now 6 months out from a right shoulder scope procedure, and we repaired your rotator cuff, did the biceps, and also took out a bone spur in that shoulder. So tell me about before the surgery, what were the symptoms like you were having in that right shoulder before the surgery?
In the right shoulder, I couldn't raise my arm up. It was very painful. Couldn't get comfortable sleeping, or it was hard to find a comfortable place to sit. Like if I went to a ball game or something, in those little chairs and stuff, it was uncomfortable. So
sure.
And bringing my arm around like this or behind my back, it was uncomfortable too.
Okay,
so.
and you had quite a bit of treatment before we made the decision to move forward with the procedure?
Yes.
Okay, and then tell me about the procedure itself, kind of both the day of the surgery and also short time after. What was that like with the experience overall?
Tell you the truth, I don't even remember it. It was so easy in and out. Everybody was nice. You filled me in on what was going to happen, and it was just the place where I went was clean, and everybody was ready to go. So
great. And so, how are your symptoms now? How's the shoulder feeling at this point now, 6 months out?
It feels great. Like I just showed you, I've got full range of motion. Can lift it up over my head. I'm surprised, and every day I do something new and amazing.
Great. Thank you so much. And how's your sleep?
I sleep
Fantastic.
on my back,
Good.
which I've not been able to do for a very long time, and it's great.
Great. All right. Thank you so much, Shearon, for your kind feedback.
Yeah.